How to change language on Steam. Hey everyone, if you're wondering how you can easily change language on Steam, just follow these simple steps. First thing you have to do is simply head over to your Steam's website, or if you have the application, you can directly open up the application. I'm just going to search for Steam right here and then click on the first link to open up your Steam account. Now, once you open up your Steam application or the website, in order to change the language, you first need to make sure that you are logged in. At the top right, I have already logged in. So you would just have to navigate your way to your account. And then here on this pop-up, you have an option called Change Language. You can select any of these languages right here. So let's say if I want to change this to Japanese, I'm just going to click right here, and this team's language will now be changed. As you can see here, all of these options is now on Japanese. And that's how you can change language on Steam. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.